Good morning, love. You're awake earlier than usual. Yeah, I couldn't really sleep last night. I made you some coffee. That's exactly what I needed. Thank you. Come sit down. Breakfast is almost ready. It smells amazing. What did you cook? Eggs, toast, and a bit of cheese. Perfect. I'm starving. Have you checked your phone yet? No, I wanted a peaceful start today. That's unusual for you. I know, I just needed a break. You look exhausted. Work has been a bit overwhelming. Eat first. Work can wait. You're right. I also prepared your lunch. Seriously? Thanks a lot. Of course. I've got you covered. I've got 2 meetings today. You'll handle them just fine. I hope so. Don't skip lunch. I won't. Text me later. I will. Have a great day. You too.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for some casual outfits.
Sure. Are you thinking of tops, bottoms, or both?
Actually, both.
What size do you usually wear?
Medium, I think.
Great. Let me show you some options. Try this shirt.
Oh, I like this one.
It's one of our most popular items.
Can I try it on?
Of course. Fitting rooms are over there.
It fits nicely.
It really suits you.
I like the color.
We also have it in black and white.
Can I see the black one?
Here you go.
This one feels even better. I prefer it.
Excellent choice.
What about pants?
These jeans are trending right now.
Let me try them too.
Go ahead.
They're really comfortable.
And they fit perfectly. I'll take both. Great decision.
Any discount available?
Yes, I can offer 10% off today.
Nice, thanks.
Will you pay cash or card?
Card, please.
Done. Have a great day. Hi, I'd like to place an order.
Sure, what would you like?
Something quick, maybe a burger.
Chicken or beef?
Chicken.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
And a drink?
A cola.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
May I have your name and address?
Sarah Wilson, 12 Nile Street.
Got it. Delivery will take about 30-40 minutes.
That's fine.
Cash or card?
Cash on delivery.
We'll do our best to be on time.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Your order is confirmed.
Perfect, thank you. Hi, are you available?
Yes, where to?
City Center, please.
Hop in.
Thanks.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come here often.
Traffic's heavy today.
Yeah, I noticed.
Fastest route or shortest?
Fastest, please.
It should take about 25 minutes.
That's okay.
It's really hot today.
Yes, the heat is intense. Is the AC okay?
Perfect, thanks.
Where exactly in the center? Near the main mall.
Got it. Do you work long hours?
Usually, yes.
That must be tiring.
Sometimes.
We're almost there.
Great.
That'll be $30.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Good morning. Do you have a moment?
Sure. What's up?
I'd like to request a few days off next week.
Which days?
Tuesday to Thursday.
Everything okay?
Yes, I just need a short break.
That's understandable.
I'll finish all my tasks beforehand.
Who can cover your work?
Tom can handle it.
Sounds good.
I'll brief him today.
Make sure everything is organized.
Of course.
Any urgent deadlines?
No, I'll handle everything.
All right. Approved.
Thank you so much.
Stay reachable if needed.
I will.
Hello, I'd like to book a room. Sure, for which dates? From the 10th to the 13th. That's 3 nights. Yes. What type of room? A double room. 1 bed or 2? 1 bed. Smoking or non-smoking? Non-smoking. Let me check. Yes, it's available. Great. Breakfast is included. Perfect. The price is $120 per night. That works. Your name, please? Sarah Wilson, Payment at check-in is fine. Okay. Any special requests? A quiet room if possible. Noted. Your booking is confirmed.
Hello, I need help with my card.
Sure. May I see your ID?
Here you go.
What's the issue?
It's not working at the ATM.
Did you enter the correct PIN?
Yes.
Let me check. Your card is temporarily blocked.
Oh, why?
Too many incorrect PIN attempts.
I see.
I can unblock it now.
Please do.
Done.
Thank you so much.
Try again in 5 minutes.
Will do.
Hey, Sarah, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
Let's go out together.
Sounds great. Dinner or a movie? Dinner. That new restaurant? I've heard it's amazing. Let's meet at 7 p.m. Perfect. I'll make a reservation. Thanks. I'll pick you up at 6:30. I'll be ready. Don't be late. I won't, promise.
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Thank you. How does it feel?
Really good.
Any plans?
Just a small party.
Nice.
I got some gifts too. I got you something as well.
Really?
Thanks.
You deserve it.
That's sweet.
Let's take a photo.
Sure.
Smile.
Done.
Looks great. Let's enjoy the party.